Python programming. Python continues part 2. We have already learned uh, basic Python programming language in first video. In this video, we are going to learn following topics: variables and assignments. Okay, dynamic typing, static typing, and multiple assignments, simple input and output. Okay, these are the objective of our video. Declaration. In this presentation, we will use Windows 8.1 Pro license version, MS PowerPoint 2013 license version, freeware OBS Studio software for recording video, and content taken from Computer Science with Python by Sumita Arora, textbook for class 11th and 12th. Now, we are going to learn our first topic, variables and assignments. What are variables? Variables represent labeled storage location. Storage location means memory location where we store our values, whose values can be manipulated during the program run. That means we can change the values of a variable during the execution of program. For example, age is a variable that contains 15 value, and another variable name contains value Ramesh. Okay, age contains 15, that is a numeric value. Name contains Ramesh, that is a character value, or it is also called string value. Okay, so that is variables. Age and name are variables. It means labeled storage location. Right. Next, dynamic typing. Python support dynamic typing. That is, we can change the type of value of any variable during the execution of a program. For example, if we have age as a variable that contains 15 integer value. Okay, if we print age, it will display print. Now we can change this variable that contains integer value to string value, that is age is equal to Ramesh. Now age is a string value, a string variable that contains string value. Print age, it will display Ramesh. First it contained 15 value, that is integer. Now it contains Ramesh, that is a string value. Okay, a variable pointing to a value of a certain data type can be made to a point value or object of different type. This is called dynamic typing. This is supported by Python. Next, static typing. Static typing means when we fixed a value to a variable, it will not change. A data type is attached with variable when it is defined first and it is fixed. That is, if we define a variable as an integer, it will remain integer. If we define a variable as string, it will remain string always. That is, a data type of a variable cannot be changed in static typing. Okay? This is called static typing. For example, if we write age is equal to 15, it will display 15. If we write age is equal to Ramesh in static typing, okay, cannot be defined because it is a integer value, a numeric value. A numeric value cannot be changed to string value using typing. Okay, Python support dynamic typing. Okay, not static typing. Right. Now, multiple assignments. Okay, we can assign multiple variables with same value or with multiple values. First, we are going to see assignment same value to multiple variables. How we can see? A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 10. Now, what will happen? A is equal to 10, B is equal to 10, C is equal to 10. All variables get the same value. Okay. Now, assigning multiple values to multiple variables, A, comma B, comma C is equal to 10, comma 20, comma 30. Now it will become A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to 30. It will assign values. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to 30. So we can assign multiple values to multiple variables with a single line. ठीक है? Simple input and output. In Python, we can take input with the help of input function. Take input from user as a text. That is, whatever we enter in input function, it will text. Right? Name is equal to input. Enter your name. This is a syntax. You can write the message. Okay. It will ask enter your name, and now you can write any string or any name. It will store to name variable. We will see the example in our practical session. In Python, we can read a number by converting the number from text by read input function and by using integer and float function. Int used for integer number and float used for real number. If you want to input a number, suppose integer number or a real number, okay, so we can use similar input function, but we need to convert because it read text. Okay, we need to convert text to number. And how we can convert? Using integer and float function. Int and float function. Int will convert the text to integer number and float will convert text to real numbers. Okay. For example, age is equal to int integer input. Enter your age. It will enter some value, integer value. It will convert it into integer value using int function and stored in age variable. Okay. Now, Python uses print function to send output to standard output device. Standard output device means our monitor, our screen. Simply, we can write print message. So it will display a message. Print variable name. It will display the value of variable. Print message variable name. We can write message along with variable name. It will display message and the value of variable. For example, hello. Print hello. It will display only hello. Print C. It will display the value of C. C is a variable. ठीक है? Now print value of C. Value of C is C. Value of C is a message, and this it will display the value of C. But this is a variable where it will display the value of C. If we simply write print function without any name, expression or value, it will print a blank line. Okay. Now we are going to see all of these in a Python programming. So we are going to open Python shell. Now type age is a variable. It will contain 15. Age is an integer variable that contains 15 value. Name is equal to Ramesh. Name is a string variable. Now if we want to display the value of the variable age, it will display 15. If we want to display the value of name, print name, it will display Ramesh. So we see that age is a variable, contains value 15, integer value. Name is a variable, contain Ramesh as a value, name. Okay. Now we can change the, as a dynamic typing, we can change the value of a variable. Suppose A is equal to, I write Ramesh. Now what will it display? Now first it has integer value 15. Now it has a string value Ramesh. If we print age, it will display Ramesh. Okay. Now the value has been changed from 15 to age. This is called dynamic typing. We can change the value of name also, right? Name is equal to, I have write 5 100. First name contains Ramesh, now name contains 500. Okay, because of dynamic typing. Okay. Now we are going to create multiple assignments. Okay, A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 10. Right? What will happen? Print A will be 10. Print B, it will also 10. Print C, it will also 10. Okay, that is multiple variables contains the same value. Now multiple variables with multiple values A comma B comma C equals to 10 comma 20 comma 30. Okay, what will happen? Print, you can guess the output. Print A will be 10. Print B, print B will be 20. Print C will be 30. Okay. That is multiple variables with multiple values. Right? We can swap the values using, for example, A comma B is equal to B comma C. What will happen? A contains the value of value of B, and B contains the value of A. That is swapping. Okay. Now what happened? Print A. You can simply guess what happened to A. A contains now the value of B, that is 20. Okay. And print B, and B contains the value of A, that is 10. Okay. Swapping. It is the magic of Python. We don't require third variable to swap the values of two variables. Okay. Now we are going to use print functions. Okay. So simply print. Uh, if we write simple print, it will print a blank line. Print message something. Hello. It will display the message. Simply the message will be displayed. Okay. If you want to display the value of a variable, print C. Okay. It will display the 30. Right. If you want to display the value whether what is C we can't understand, so we can write the message value of C is, so we can guess that that is the value of C. Okay, the value of C is 30. Okay, we can write this also. We can write any expression also. Print A plus B, right? That is 30. Okay. So there are the some examples of print. We can more elaborate print function using this method. Okay. Thank you.